I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
I'm waking up at like 11 in the morning, playing by the rules, yo, it's just so boring. I'm eating Captain Crunch for lunch, do I got issues? Yeah, man, I got a bunch. Like late night fist fights, half pints and dirt bikes. Yo, I love them all, so they label me an outlaw. But I still keep it raw. You don't have to respect me, you can love me or hate me, but I ain't gonna change and you ain't gonna make me. The lyrical privilege, full pledge, living life on the edge. Straight out of control, self-proclaimed asshole. And I am what I am.
I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
Thinking of my next hustle, looking for the next sorry fuck I can muscle. Talking shit for the fuck of it, running amok and still loving it. A hoodlum role model, chugging on a Jaeger bottle. Mesh hat, t-shirts and baggy pants, putting in work, grooming some bud plans. Oh, it's a hard life we live, but nothing's changed ever since I was a kid. So a fuck is something that I still don't give. Maybe it's in my genes, maybe I was born to be spiteful and mean. But whatever it is, I wouldn't change a thing. It's all about living life in the fast lane.
I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
The West Coast Bruiser, 5'9" cruiser, 100% natural born loser that never sold out, not even once. Dedicate my life to rocking Mike's dirt bikes and knocking out fronts. A menace to sobriety with the variety of mental problems that refuse to quit till I hit rock bottom. Addicted to Cadillacs, jumbo jacks, 12 packs and fat tracks. The local ball superstar whose mind scarred from punching the time card. A strip club stalker, late night streetwalker, a loner with the boner, trying to make some money but my printer's out of toner.
I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
Wir sind erst seit 5 Minuten da. Digga, der hat doch heimlich geübt daheim. So, Jung, du bleibst jetzt hier. Absteige, Polizei.
Ich hab doch nichts gemacht.
Absteige, Polizei, zieh das. Wo ist der Schlüssel? Ich zieh den Schlüssel ab.
Es gibt keinen
Bleib jetzt
Schlüssel.
stehen. Du bleibst jetzt stehen, Jung. Du bleibst jetzt stehen.
I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want, yeah. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me what you want. Tell me that you need me. I've been waiting all night for you to, tell me what you want, yeah. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. I've been waiting all night for you to tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that you want me.
Absteige, Polizei. Absteige, Polizei, zieh das. Wo ist der Schlüssel? Ich zieh den Schlüssel ab.
Hey yo, this right here, this is honestly the jam. To make them all say, yo, it's honestly the man. On my Ferris Bueller shit, school was never in the plan. Cause what I got is special like a jewel, it's in the sand. They can move it, they can slam, rappers like to pretend. I always keep it real, that's why they like me to win. And whoever thought that my life would begin by inspiring the world through the strike of a pen. So I gotta thank the fam, cause they made me who I am. First they showed me how to fall, and they taught me how to stand. I just gotta be myself, and they'll all understand. Like an Aloe Black song, I'm the man, I'm the man. I took a theory and I turned it into fact. You took a couple rock songs and turned them into rap. Y'all all liked it better cause I gave it what it lacked. Had some fun with it and then I gave it back. Cause this is for you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. Now I have a corny name for my fan base, but they still love me cause I'm something that you can't hate. Plus I draw what these other dudes can't trace. Out of this world, you better off trying to scan space. A better nails, ain't no sleeping on a kid. I don't usually smoke, but now I'm cheaping on the clip. It's never easy to cope when the reason you exist is to carry the torch. Why niggas reaching for the shit, but I got it. No, I'm not a novice, I know I'm an artist, and also a product. And I got friends that look like Mike Brown, but I got some friends that live in white towns. So I try to find a way to stay cool, but somehow I always manage to break rules. And if I ever lied on a record, Lord, let me lie today. And by the way, I do this for you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This for any being creative. I thank you for the things that you have created. Even if it seems that we ain't related, you're the reason I ever had dreams of being the greatest. I could rush to the finish, but shit is better patient. Feeling like I'm minutes from a celebration. Pour champagne glass, leaving demons in the past. One toast for success, another toast to make it last. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. You were there when no one was around. You were there when no one was around.
Okay Leute, jetzt kommt die Suicide Roll.